Yeah.
Okay, so you can see it's not turning on. 3 attempts. Now what we're going to do is we're going to warm it up. So I've just got my iron. I'm going to warm this up for 20 seconds or so. So it's nice and warm. A bit more. You've got to get the heat through the case into onto the inside, so it needs to be quite hot on the outside so the warmth comes through to the inside. Okay, so that's uncomfortably hot to touch now, so it should be warm enough. Okay, let's see what happens. There we go, it's on the boot screen, and as we can see in a second, it's now starting up Windows. Here's the little wheel. We always have this screen for a second, I don't know why. As Windows loads. And there we go, we're in. That's it.